Good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com, Real Traders Club on Wednesday, April 26, 2023. All right. Big earnings day, or big earnings results. Microsoft and Alphabet have reported, and the market liked their results. Look at all this green. Dow is up nearly, well, it's up. Right, just above flat line, but it's up. S&P 500 is up 0.16%. NASDAQ, call it 1% at 0.95. So there's a headline on Microsoft. Microsoft stock rallies on earnings and bullish AI outlook. Of course, the First Republic saga continues, and I continue my opinion that that's a localized event. A couple banks. There's not a big banking sector issue. That's echoed by many respectable voices, but they're getting crushed. That's for sure. So that's the big news. Earnings. That's what we were waiting for. The thing on the future too. We do have next month the Fed rate decision, and of course the a little bit after that the budget fight, right, in Washington, and always the looming threat of some kind of shutdown as people negotiate or don't. But that's out in June. All right, so let's see who's winning, who's losing here this morning. 30 minutes into the open. Market movers on the S&P. Well, there's a surprise one. Chipotle, I know they were announcing, but it must have been good. 13% pop on Chipotle. Wow, here's Microsoft right at the top. 7%. Rocking and rolling. Boeing, Amazon, Nvidia, AMD, Meta, Micron, Intel. And here's the theme. What's the theme that we see? Micron, AMD, Nvidia, technology, and in particular silicon. Got some good results going on there. So we were at SMH. All these companies came in with earnings. So, let's take a look at that chart. Maybe we'll go back in. Who's not doing so well? Inphase, wow, 24%. Yeah, First Republic down 23%, taking them down to their lowest price ever. SolarEdge, there's a thread. SolarEdge, Inphase, Old Dominion for solar. 3 solar companies down. So that just looks like a sector kind of issue for the moment. Oh, excuse me. I hope I got muted in time before I sneezed. Why it came out of nowhere.
Kind of only got a little bit of it. Very small amount. You did a good job.
Thank you. All right. So that's the big news. Let's look at a chart. See what this all looks like on price action. Here's the S&P 500. Yesterday was a pretty big down day, as you can see. Finding some support. Look at this support level here. So let's see if this rallies off of here and heads up. Given the backdrop in the news, I think that's the likely scenario. All right, and let's look. But we'll save that. We're going to look at TAN. We're going to look at SMH, our open trades, all that kind of stuff. But the big news for the market overview is, really big tech companies have reported. Microsoft and Google, about as big as you get. And the results were good, and the market is looking like it is poised to head up. So watch for that. That's the big picture. Oh, there was some economic reports. Let's look at that before we wrap up the market overview calendar. And I saw headlines. There was some good news here. Here it comes. Survey says durable goods orders was forecasted to be down negative 0.2, and it was up 0.3, so a 0.5% difference. So durable goods orders, that's portends well for GDP and the economy and all that kind of stuff. So core durable goods and then durable goods, and that was up 3%. So good news there, and we'll see GDP tomorrow, advanced GDP. So that's good news on the overall picture for the overall economy.